It's a lone wolf. Now that it's broken cover, the wolf is easy for the caribou to spot. It's taking a chance. A fully grown caribou weighs twice as much as the wolf does and has a powerful kick. But the opportunity of a prize kill is worth the risk. Having panicked the herd, the wolf looks for a weaker or slower individual. As the herd splinters and reforms, some of the caribou lose sight of their attacker, giving the wolf its opportunity. The wolf must grab the caribou by the throat. But one well-aimed hoof could end this battle in the caribou's favor. Survival is finely balanced up here. This time, the wolf has won.